Bliss, can I have your bowl? Can I have your bowl? Bliss, are you, oh wow, did you just push that? Can I have your, you're not giving your bowl away, are you? There it goes. You scare yourself because you stepped on it? You were not gonna let me have it. Your food's gone already. I don't know why you still want it. Hi girl, good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon, happy Saturday to all of your sunshiny faces. Guys, I'm out actually grocery shopping right now. It is the 20th of, what is it? The 20th of October right now, guys. Look at this outside. We're like legit in a blizzard right now. It was raining and we were like, oh my gosh, it looks like it might be snowing. Like they look like there's a tiny bit. It is so windy right now. And it's like, do you guys see how much these like trees are blowing? They're crazy. And it's like, we just came out of Target. It just hits you in the face like a ton of bricks. We're going to GNC now because the GNC is closing. So my dad's got to go every week and get some deals, and we got to go to Target, or we just got done at Target. We're going to GameStop to put money down on our game. But guys, can't even get over this blizzard weather right now. Look at that. It's ridiculous. So we're back home. I'm back on my actual camera. Guys, it is like a hurricane full of just, can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, I've never seen winds like this strong in a like winter storm. Like I've seen them this strong during like, you know, tornado kind of scary thunderstorm weather, but never like this during a winter storm. It's like, I don't even know if it is hail. Oh my gosh, the guy across the street.
No, but it's really tiny.
He is walking his dog. The guy across the street's walking his dog and a branch just fell in his way. You can see that?
Did it hit him?
I don't think it hit him, but it fell like over at the what you call it's house across the street, and he's walking his dog on that side street, and then, I don't know if my camera even picked it up, but there was a branch that was like fell in his way or blew in his way or something. You guys, like I said, this is just crazy, and Jack's coming around the corner right now. Let's get his reaction. Jack, what'd you think? Holy cow, can you guys hear that? What'd you think? It was like that bad?
No, it was way worse earlier.
No.
I mean, it wasn't as bad, but it was bigger chunks.
Yeah, and you couldn't see, but I don't know if it was really that windy.
No, it wasn't.
Holy cow.
It was less windy, but it was bigger chunks of snow.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, our stuff is like blown over on the side over here. I've fixed this twice now. Our little, what you call it thing out there has got, oh, it had 3 when we came home. Now it's got 2 on the little, what you call it, thing there. The little pinwheel thingy. It had 3 of them or something like that. Now it's got 2. So these guys got to go out in the storm earlier. Why is there a napkin on the floor? You guys, pick it up. Bravo, Charlie, pick it up.
Did you want to go outside?
In the storm? Oh, boys want to go. It is actually a little, just almost actually 1 o'clock. It's a bit after midnight, and I'm going to take a shower, head to bed, guys. But I ended up, actually, I did not wake up very early this morning because I was up until almost 4 o'clock last night because we watched Ghost Adventures, and then again tonight. Guys, I seriously, like, I can't let Matthew talk me into watching it anymore over these weekends. And like, we start watching it at like, I think we started watching one of the episodes at like 10 o'clock. Watched 3 of them or something like that, or maybe we started about 10:30 or something. And yeah, we either watched 3 or 4 of them or something like that. I don't remember. But now it's, like I said, almost 1 o'clock. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get ready for bed here, but I just did not, like I said, get up very early today, and hopefully I can get up early tomorrow. But I did get all my grocery shopping and everything like that all finished up. I finished up at Aldi. We just had to run and get newspapers at Menards. And then we went to Target actually as well. I picked up a handful of other things for like lunches and stuff like that, and just quick little dinners, stuff like that I actually got, guys. Here's my thing, is that at Aldi, they used to have their organic lentil soup in these big honking cans, right? They have the organic chicken noodle soup, and I haven't seen a spot for lentil soup either anymore that says, like, you know, lentil soup or anything. I've only seen it say the chicken noodle soup, and I've only seen the chicken noodle soup there. So like I said, guys, it does kind of, this dog is chewing himself behind me right now. Charlie, what are you doing? Charles. He's distracting me right now. But anyways, like I was saying, they have, like, they used to have them, and they were $1.99. They were so tasty. They were delicious. I loved their lentil soup. And then I noticed, like, before our Aldi actually remodeled before this last summer, I'd say it's probably been close to like a year now. I haven't really noticed that they've carried them, and like I said, I keep looking for them and they don't have them there anymore. Which again really stinks, because I loved their soups. They, like I said, came in a nice big can. They were tasty, they were vegetarian, and they were something just super easy. Like if I was like, oh shoot, like I don't really have enough time to like make myself something for lunch or for dinner or something like that, I was like, I'll just throw, you know, on a can of the lentil soup, and I'll just have that for, you know, dinner or lunch or whatever. Now this week and last week I got cans of the Amy's organic lentil soup, which the cans are smaller and they're more money. They're like $2.50. And like I said, the cans are smaller. Whereas at Aldi, I actually like the texture of the one at Aldi too better. Like it was like a thicker lentil soup, or like maybe it was like less thick, I guess. And the ones from the Amy's lentil soup is like a more thick, like it almost tastes like chili or like almost curry like. It's like much thicker. And the one from Aldi actually was more like soupy kind of, if that makes sense. Like it was more liquid, and not so much of like a weird like solidy kind of thing that I feel like the Amy's brand, and even to Walmart had a brand. I didn't see it the last time I was there, but I tried theirs too, and theirs was also kind of the same thing. Like it was like very like more chunky, I felt like, than like soupy, and like a thick, like almost like a chowder, I guess. But anyways, so yeah, I haven't been able to find those ones at Aldi. I've been getting the other ones. Like I said, the cans are smaller, they're more money, and so I was like, I need to try and figure out some other stuff that maybe is a little bit better to like be having in a quick dinner kind of time. Like I'm gonna actually make, and I think I'll probably do those for lunches for most of the week, is make myself like a quinoa salad for this week, because that's something that can be kept in the refrigerator and can be eaten cold. Because my thing is that I don't like pre-making things that have to be warmed up, that don't taste good like warmed up. Like I don't like the taste of quinoa when it's warmed up, but cold, or like pasta salad, like that kind of thing too, I actually like having that for like if I'm doing a meal prep. I actually really like doing those instead, although I'm not doing one this week. I just, like I said, I think those are like tastier, like because you can eat them cold, not have to warm them up. And like I said, I don't like things a lot of times warmed up, unless I heat it up on the stove. But sometimes like you can't do, the texture just doesn't taste right again, and once it's reheated sometimes. And so yeah, I'm not a huge fan. So that's why I was, like I said, trying to look for some stuff that's a little bit easier. But this week I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do breakfast potatoes. I did get breakfast potatoes for myself. And like I said, I'll probably just do a big, like, Tupperware full of the lentil, or not lentil, the quinoa, like, salad. Probably do that for lunches, and then, like, throw something on for dinner. Like, I'll probably do maybe pasta once or twice. And then also, too, I got, I was telling you guys, the enchilada like dinner bowl from the Amy's organic brand. They're like frozen dinner, and then also to the macaroni and cheese with the broccoli. It's like baked macaroni and cheese. Oh my gosh, guys, it's amazing. Those two, I'll probably have one of those, like I said, once or twice during this week. And then I also got 2 cans of the Hormel vegetarian chili, which my Target is the only place that carries it. So that's why I last week went to Walmart, and it's probably $1 cheaper at Target to get that brand than the Amy's vegetarian chili. So that's why I was like, I'd rather get the Hormel brand, and I don't mind it. It's okay. I normally had done them on like I was using them for like chili cheese fries, which were pretty good, but I don't really mind having it alone either, like a standalone, just like chili. So yeah, but I gotta try and like figure out some stuff. It's just I probably want to make some freezer dinners for myself too. I think I actually have some homemade vegetarian chili still left. I think I still have some butternut lentil squash curry left as well. The red butternut lentil red curry squash stuff. I don't know how I said that. The butternut squash red lentil curry out in the freezer as well, that I can do a few of those as well. But I kind of got to get away from like the process. I mean, again, it's like all organic stuff that I mainly been getting, but it's not super cheap, and I can like make homemade stuff way cheaper, and you know, that kind of stuff. So that's why I should look into it, but just lately I was like, I need to get myself back into like actually eating meals, because I was telling you guys how I'm a snacker. I will just snack throughout the day. I don't like to sit down for a meal and be like, okay, it's dinner time, let's eat dinner. So yeah, I've been trying to do that a little bit. Like, still I'm super lenient. I'm like, oh, if I'm hungry I snack, like, but if I'm trying to be like, okay, let's actually try and have something for lunch, you know, a grilled cheese sandwich for lunch or something for lunch at least, and then can also have almonds and peanuts, and or I might have a protein bar, granola bar or something like that, and my freeze-dried strawberries. You guys know I'm always having those, and I also got a bunch of blackberries this week to have for like dessert. That kind of stuff is just, again, I like to snack, but I'm trying to get myself back to being like, okay, at least make sure you're having like something for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I did avocado toast every single day last week, and so I'm going to do the breakfast potatoes this week. And so like I said, I'm at least making sure I'm having breakfast, and then like, again, depending on when I wake up though, sometimes my lunch and dinner almost combined into one meal anyway, and then I just snack, you know. So that's why, guys, I'm not disciplined in when I get up, and so I'm not disciplined in when I eat. But yeah, like I said, I went to Target to look for some of that stuff that I knew was vegetarian that I could eat, guys. Tell me why too. Walmart, okay, my Walmart, they have one little like door full of, you know, their freezer door full of vegetarian stuff there. Target's got a half of a flippin' aisle, guys, and I was like, this is why I love Target more than I love Walmart. I think I told you guys this for like ever. But yeah, and then like I said too, they carry the vegetarian chili. They had tons of different types of Amy's soups. Walmart had, I think, 2 varieties. It was lentil and I think the tomato soup. I don't like the tomato, so I guess we're going with the lentil. And then like I said, I went to the freezer section, and the Amy's burritos too, they only had the gluten-free ones, and I didn't like the last time I had gluten-free because the like burrito, like the texture was different. But yeah, so I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna get any of these either. But they had like 20 varieties at Target, and I was like, holy cow, which one do I pick? Like, honestly, I feel like that's why I like to go to Valley Produce and Caputo's, because they're both international like market. They carry like a wide variety of like everything though, like that you could possibly want, and they're way better, I feel like, than Jewel was. Like, I even tried to look at Jewel when we went, and so they just have like a lot of stuff for every single like nationality, and like different types of like gluten-free or vegetarian. Like, they're very like I said, have a wide variety of all that kind of stuff. That's why I like shopping at those stores, because every once in a while though, they will have like really good deals on their like their healthy for you brand stuff, or their, you know, whatever. And they're way bigger stores than my Jewel is, the one that I shop at, and so I feel like they have better selection and can carry more of a selection anyway than at Jewel. But anyways, guys, I've been ranting on for food about food for a while. But guys, I edited 2 old vlogs. I got yesterday's vlog edited as well. I did dishes today. I ended up, like I said, went to those grocery stores, finished up my shopping, so I don't have to worry about anything tomorrow. We do have that birthday party to go to, which is actually like right during the Bears game today, so we're probably gonna miss tomorrow we're gonna miss the Bears game tomorrow. So yeah guys, but the storm, honestly, after it snowed this morning, like I told you guys, we were sitting in the Target parking lot and it started raining, and I was like, oh, and like it looked almost like it was snow. My dad's like, I think it is snowing. And then we ended up going in, we came back out like, you know, 10-15 minutes later, whatever. Honestly guys, it was probably longer than that. It was probably like about a half an hour, because my dad was the one today that wanted to walk around and shop at Target. He's like, let's go look at this stuff, let's go look over here. And like, normally that's me, but today I was like, let's just get in and get out, because when I do grocery shopping, I shop like that. I'm like, whatever's on my list is what we need, and then we don't look at anything else. I feel like I'm very disciplined when it comes to grocery shopping. If we're just leisure shopping, I could spend hours in Target, but I was very, like I said, disciplined today, and my dad was the exact opposite. He was like, let's go look at this stuff, and I want to go look over here. Maybe I'll look at a Christmas present for someone. And I was like, my dad has like the Targetitis. Every single person that goes into Target just wants to shop in Target and never wants to leave. But today I was like the exact opposite. I was like, nope, whatever we're getting. My dad, you know, like I said, it was probably half an hour in there. We came out, it was like blizzarding outside, guys. I never ever have seen it that bad, and like changed that drastically too. So then we went over to GNC, and that's why I was recording for you guys. We were in there, and then when we went over to GameStop, which was like 3 doors down from GNC, it was actually stopped snowing, but all of the cars were pelted like with ice because of how strong the wind was. It was crazy. I didn't show you guys that part, but there was like ice stuck on just one side of like people's cars, and then like snow on top of that. It looked ridiculous. Like someone had literally just thrown snowballs at people's cars from one side. It was like, it's really weird. I'd never seen anything like it before. But yeah, so then we went to GameStop, then we went to, I think, Menards, then Aldi, and then we came home. But yeah, the storm was a little crazy. But I will see you guys all in tomorrow's vlog. If you guys did enjoy today's, make sure you guys give it a big old thumbs up. If you guys are new, we'd love if you'd subscribe, and I'll see all of your sunshiny faces tomorrow. So bye guys.